It is their own agenda, own party. They have to decide their future. IUML traveled along with the DMK more than 50 years. Now, after the assembly elections results, everything turned into reverse politics. DMK is now criticizing like anything about the decision taken by the allied parties IUML, VCK and Congress, including left parties. This is natural one in each and every election results. This kind of criticism is coming up. Nothing to add furthermore.